In this video, we're going to learn how to install Docker on Ubuntu. We'll follow Docker's official installation guide for Ubuntu, and I've added the link to the website in the video description. There are a few different methods to install Docker, but we'll be using the apt repository method. First, let's set up Docker's apt repository. I'll copy the command and run it. This will install the necessary packages for Docker, and it might take a little time, but it should complete shortly. Now that the repository is set up, let's move on to installing the Docker packages. I'll copy and run the installation command. This will download and install everything Docker needs to run on our system. Again, it might take a bit of time, but don't worry, it'll be done soon. Once the installation is complete, we'll test if Docker is working properly. Docker provides a test image called Hello World, so let's try running it. If the image isn't available locally, Docker will first download it and then execute it. And there we go. If you see the output from the Hello World container, that means Docker is successfully installed on Ubuntu. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. See you in the next one.